Hello everyone. Pour starch into boiling hot water and instantly turn it into a delicious dish. This method is something you definitely haven't tried before. Once you learn it, you'll be a master chef. First, we prepare half a gin of starch. I'm using sweet potato starch here, which costs 5 yuan per gin and contains no additives. Next, we add 2 bowls of water to the starch. Then use chopsticks to stir well and dissolve the starch. Next, add a small amount of edible alkali. Continue to stir until evenly mixed. Stir until there is no dry starch left, and that's good enough. Next, add an appropriate amount of water to the pot. The ratio of water to starch should be 5:1. This is the secret. Bring the water in the pot to a boil, then turn to low heat and pour in the well-mixed starch slurry. Then use a spatula to stir constantly so the starch heats evenly. Cook the starch thoroughly and make sure not to stop stirring with the spatula to prevent sticking and burning at the bottom. As you slowly heat it, the starch paste will become thicker and thicker, and its color will change from white to a light yellow. When it finally turns into a semi-transparent gel-like consistency, it's ready. Turn off the heat and remove it from the pot. Pour it into a glass container. Then smooth out the surface. Tap it a few times to release any trapped air, then set it aside to cool for an hour. Next, prepare 4 small chili peppers and slice them into rings. After slicing, put them into a bowl. Take 1 green chili and cut it in half lengthwise. Then chop it finely. Crush 3 cloves of garlic and mince them. Chop 2 scallions into small pieces. Add a spoonful of white sesame seeds. Then pour hot oil over everything to bring out the aroma. Now for the seasoning, add a spoonful of salt and a spoonful of chicken bouillon. A little bit of sugar to enhance the flavor, and add 2 spoonfuls of light soy sauce. 1 spoonful of aromatic vinegar. A spoonful of sesame oil and an appropriate amount of chili oil. Stir everything well with a spoon. Then add some chopped cilantro. And just like that, our all-purpose cold dish sauce is ready. No matter what you mix it with, it tastes amazing. Time's up, our liangfen has completely set. Turn it out onto the cutting board. Take a look, the liangfen is semi-transparent overall, smooth and elastic. Now cut it into pieces with a knife. The finished liangfen can be stir-fried, pan-fried, or served cold with dressing. After cutting, place the pieces on a plate. Then pour the prepared cold dish sauce over it. Wow, it looks so appetizing. Just looking at it makes your mouth water. A simple and delicious liangfen is ready. It has great color, aroma, and taste. It's appetizing, satisfying, and goes perfectly with both drinks and rice. If you like it, be sure to save this recipe and give it a try.